Good morning, class 7. Welcome back to your chemistry classroom once again. Today I will discuss periodic table correlating valency of elements with group number. The periodic table showing elements atomic number 1 to 20. So as per modern periodic table, the element shows their atomic number from 1 to 20. Next, the periodic table arranges elements in increasing order of atomic numbers in 7 horizontal rows called periods and 18 vertical columns called groups. So, according to modern periodic table, elements are arranged systematically by their increasing atomic number in 7 horizontal rows. These are known as periods, and 18 vertical columns. These are known as groups. Groups in the periodic table. Group number signifies the number of electrons in the outer shell of an atom of the element. So what is the meaning of the group number? Group number denotes the number of electrons are present in the outer shell of an atom of this element. मतलब पर्टिकुलर कोई एलिमेंट का आउटर सेल में कितना नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर प्रेजेंट, दैट डिनोट्स द ग्रुप नंबर. Number of electrons in the outer shell of all elements in a group is the same. Hence, all elements in the same group of the periodic table have same valency and similar chemical properties. मतलब एक ग्रुप में जितना भी सारा एलिमेंट्स है उन लोगों का नॉर्मली वैलेंसी एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज सेम रहता है. केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज आर डिपेंड ऑन द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन द आउटर सेल. So basically, chemical properties just depend upon the number of electrons these are present in the outer shell of an element. Next, group 1, group 2 and group 17. Elements are there: lithium, valency 1 plus, so sodium, Na 1 plus, potassium का valency है 1 plus. Properties: highly reactive metals. These are highly reactive metals, good conductor of heat and electricity. Highly reactive metals, these are good conductors of heat and electricity. Next, group 2, beryllium, valency 2 plus, magnesium, calcium, valency 2 plus. Less reactive metals, good conductor of heat and electricity. So these are the less reactive rather than highly reactive metals, and they are also good conductors of heat and electricity. And group 17, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, valency 1 minus. Highly reactive non-metals, bad or non-conductor of heat and electricity. So basically, non-metals are bad conductor of heat and electricity, but they are highly reactive. So these are the common example of highly reactive non-metals. These are fluorine, chlorine, bromine. They are highly reactive non-metal and bad conductor of heat and electricity. Next, valency. What is valency? Valency is also the number of electrons an atom can donate or accept. So basically, valency is the combining capacity through donating or accepting electron. मतलब जितना नंबर इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर रहा है या लास्ट आउटर सेल में इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कर रहा है, दिस नंबर डिनोट्स द वैलेंसी. So as to the active stable electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas. This incident is happening for the electronic configuration. So look at it. Sodium 2H1. As per electronic configuration, उसका outer cell में एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ज्यादा हो रहा है, इसलिए एक इलेक्ट्रॉन दूसरे एलिमेंट को डोनेट करेगा, इसलिए उसका वैलेंसी क्या हो गया 1 प्लस. सेम है क्लोरीन का, उसका आउटर सेल में कितना है 7. एज पर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन आउटर सेल में 8 होना जरूरी है, दैट्स वाई इट गेन 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, इसीलिए उसका वैलेंसी क्या हो गया कैल्शियम 1 माइनस. और नियरेस्ट नोबेल गैस क्या है? सोडियम का है नियॉन और कैल्शियम का है आर्गॉन. नेक्स्ट I will discuss exercise. So just before it, here is a little bit matching. So just mark it carefully. Helium, that is monoatomic molecule. Calcium, again monoatomic molecule. Chlorine, diatomic molecule. Ozone, triatomic molecule. Magnesium, monoatomic molecule. Argon, monoatomic molecule. Hydrogen, diatomic molecule. phosphorus, polyatomic, especially tetraatomic molecule, nitrogen, diatomic molecule, and sulfur, polyatomic, especially octatomic molecule. Matlab, what is the meanings of atomicity? Atomicity is the number of atoms. These are present inside in a molecule. एक molecule के अंदर कितना atom present है? That means that is the atomicity of this particular element. So next I will start exercise. Look at it. From the first page, I will discuss only 6, 7 and 9. Explain the term atomicity. Give a reason why. So what is atomicity? Atomicity is the number of atoms present in a molecule of a particular element. Helium is considered monoatomic, but hydrogen a diatomic molecule. For what? Because in case of helium molecule, there is only a single atom, whereas hydrogen contains 2 atoms. That's why hydrogen, it is diatomic molecule. Same way, ozone is considered a triatomic, but phosphorus is a tetratomic molecule. For what? Because oxygen molecule के अंदर जब it contains 3 atoms, that is triatomic molecule, whereas phosphorus contains 4 atoms. That's why phosphorus is a tetratomic molecule. Next, state the atomicity of the following. नियॉन का एटोमिसिटी क्या है? 1, ऑक्सीजन का 2, क्लोरीन का 2, आर्गन का 1 एंड सल्फर का 8. नेक्स्ट, differentiate between the following with suitable examples. Basic radicals and acidic radicals. So what is the basic difference? Basic radicals basically positive radicals and acidic radicals are negative radicals. So basic radical is formed by the replacing of hydroxyl ion. OH ion को replace करने के बाद basic radicals form होता है, whereas acidic radicals hydrogen ion को replace करने के बाद ये negative ion में transfer हो जाता है. Then it will be called acidic radical. Next, let's start the objective type of question. Fill in the blanks with correct words from the brackets. A molecule of an element is only chlorine. A radical with 1 atom of sulfur and 3 atoms of oxygen is sulfide. So what will be the symbol? SO3. That is sulfide. If it is SO4, then it will be called sulfate. An element with variable valency is copper. The formula of aluminium sulfate is Al2SO4 whole thrice. After exchanging their valency, the molecular formula will be Al2SO4 whole thrice. The element lithium in the modern periodic table with valency 1 plus belongs to the group 1. Group 1 में हम लोग lithium को देखेंगे. Highly reactive metal. Next, select the correct answer from A, B, C, D and E. There are options: molecule, orbit, atom, valency, radical. Next, the basic unit of matter not capable of independent existence. All of you know, answer is atom. That's why I have written C. The smallest particle of the substance capable of independent existence and which retain the properties of the substance. Answer is molecule. That's why I have written A. An elementary particle of matter of a group of atoms of different elements behaving as a single unit with a charge on the group. That is radical. That's why I have written E. Next, imaginary path around the nucleus of an atom in which electrons revolve. That is orbit. Answer is B. The term for the combining capacity of an element or the number of hydrogen atoms with which it combines or replaces. That is D. Means valency. Next, here is a matching. NO3 1 minus. Normally इस radical को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? नाइट्राइट. अगर 4 हो जाता तो हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, नाइट्रेट. HSO4 1 minus, that is bisulfate. Bisulfate. SO4 2 minus, that is only single sulfate. PO4 3 minus, answer is phosphate. HCO3 1 minus, it means bicarbonate. Number E, bicarbonate. Next, state the correct formula of the following from the list given. Calcium hydroxide, CaOH whole twice. Sodium bisulfate, NaHSO3. Ammonium sulfate, NH4 whole twice, SO4. Aluminium phosphate, AlPO4. So student, be careful. Just mark it carefully. AlPO4. Copper 2 nitrate, CuNO3 whole twice. Next, name the following. A molecule of a compound containing 2 oxygen atoms and 1 nitrogen atoms, that is NO2, matlab nitrogen dioxide. The radical containing 1 nitrogen and 4 hydrogen atoms, that is ammonium radical, NH4. The compound formed when iron Fe2 2 plus combines with oxygen O2 minus, it will be FeO, ferrous oxide. The group of the modern periodic table to which calcium belongs, group 2A. A non-metal which forms a polyatomic molecules with more than the 3 atoms, oxygen. Oxygen is the only non-metal that forms a polyatomic molecules with more than 3 atoms. So student, hope all of you understood what I am discussing in this long video. So for today, after this portion, in the next class, I will start the next chapter.